લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે સેલરી એનો એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 2 કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલ હતો. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 3, that is example number 17 of your book. Example number 17, Mr. Mayavanshi retired after servicing up to 31st March 2020 from Santu Limited, a non-government company. He has served there for 40 years as a specified employee. Compute his taxable salary for accounting year 2019-20. Basic salary from 1/4/2019 to 3/9/2019, 14,000 per month. From 1/10 to 31st March, 16,000 per month. Dearness allowance 50% of salary. House rent allowance 2,500 per month. He paid 3,000 per month as a house rent. Company's contribution to RPF 26,600. Interest credited in recognized provident fund rate 12.5%. Bonus 30,000. Professional tax paid by him 3,000. Employees contribution to recognized provident fund 18,000. This is part of ATC. Gratuity received in April 2020, that is 3,95,000. First of all, prepare this statement. Example number 3, statement showing taxable income of Mr. Mayavanshi from the income of salary for assessment year 2011 and financial year, this is 2019-20. First, basic salary. Note number 1. Basic salary. From 1/4 to 30th 9, his basic salary is 1,400 per month. So April, May, June, July, August, September, 6 months, 14,000 multiplied by 6 months, that is 84,000. From 1/10 to 31st March, his basic salary is 16,000 per month. 16,000 multiplied by 6, that is 96,000. 96 plus 84, 1,80,000 is basic salary. So basic salary 1,80,000. Second, dearness allowance, DA. DA is 50% of basic salary, 1,80,000 and a 50%, 90,000. Third, HRA. Note number 2. Note 2, HRA. Salary for the purpose of HRA, only basic salary, because DA is not part of retirement benefits. So basic salary 1,80,000 is considered for HRA purpose. Minimum from following is exempted. First, actual HRA received. Actual HRA received by him is 2,500 per month. So 2,500 multiplied by 12, that is 30,000. Second, rent paid minus 10% of salary. Rent paid by him is rupees 3,000 per month. 3,000 multiplied by 12 minus 10% of salary, 1,80,000 and a 10%. So 36,000 minus 1,80,000. So is 1,80,000. Sorry, 18,000. 36,000 minus 18,000, that is 18,000. Third, 40% of salary, because he is living in non-metro, we are assuming that 1,80,000 in a 40%. 1,80,000, 40%, 72,000. Minimum of following is exempted, so exempted is 18,000. Taxable, actual received minus exempted. Actual received 30,000, exempted 18,000. 30,000 minus 18,000, that is 12,000. Taxable HRA is 12,000. Next one, company's contribution to recognized provident fund. Employers RPF contribution. Note number 3. Employers RPF, actual contribution contributed by employer is 26,600. 26,600 minus exempted, that is 12% of basic plus DA retirement benefit. પણ DA retirement benefit માં કન્સિડર થતું નથી, એટલે બેઝિક સેલરી 1,80,000 એના 12%. 21,600. So taxable is 5,000. Taxable is 5,000. Fifth, bonus interest credited to RPF account. Interest credited to RPF account. Note number 4, RPF interest. Actual interest credited to RPF account is 12.5%. Minus exempted 9.5. So taxable is 3%. Percentage amount 12.5%, then amount of interest is 25,000. So 3%, how much? 25,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 12.5. 25,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 12.5. That is 6,000 is taxable. So 6,000 RPF interest. Next, 7th, professional tax. This is part of specified deduction. Employees contribution, this is part of ATC. Gratuity received in April 20. Here our financial year is completed in 31st March. So gratuity is not considered in 2019-20. It will be considered in 2020 to 21. So this is our gross salary. $1,80,000, 90,000, 12,000, 5,000, 6,000, 2,93,000. 2,93,000. Bonus is 30,000. Sorry, 6th bonus 30,000. Now gross salary 2,93,000 plus 30,000, that is 3,23,000 less specified deduction, first standard deduction 50,000, professional tax, that is given in information number 7, 200 per month, 3,000. So 3,000, 53,000 minus 53,000 out of 3,23,000. So 2,70,000 is taxable salary. This is your answer. Next, example number 4. That is example number 18 of your book. Sri Jadeja, employed as a production manager in Maruti Limited. From the furnish the following information: basic salary up to 31st/10/2019 50,000 per month, from 1/11/2019 60,000 per month. Dearness allowance 40% of basic salary. Bonus equal to 1 month salary paid in October 19 on basic salary plus dearness allowance applicable for that month. Contribution of employers to recognized provident fund account of the employee 16% of basic salary. Professional tax 3,000 paid, of which 2,000 was paid by employer. 2,000 is paid by employer. It is part of perk. Facility of laptop and computer was also provided to Mr. Jadeja, both office and personal use. Computer office as well as personal use માટે પ્રોવાઈડ કરવામાં આવે તો એ ટોટલી એક્ઝમ્પ્ટેડ છે. કોસ્ટ ઓફ લેપટોપ 45,000, computer 35,000 were acquired by company on 1/12/2019. Motor car owned by employer, cc of engine exceed 1.6 liter, provide to employee from 1/11/2019, meant for both office as well as personal use. Running and repair expenses 45,000 from 1/11/2019 to 31st March 2020 were fully met by employer. The motor car was self-driven by employee. So it is given that the driver facility is not given. Leave travel concession given to employee, his wife and 3 children, 1 daughter aged 7 and twin son aged 3. Cost of air ticket economy class reimbursed by employer was 30,000 for adult and 44,000 for 3 children. Mr. Jadeja is eligible for availing exemption this year to the extent it permissible in law. Compute the salary income chargeable to tax in the hand of Mr. Jadeja for assessment year 2021. First statement prepare करशो. Statement showing that taxable income from under the head of salary income of Mr. Jadeja for assessment year 2021, financial year 1920. First, basic salary, working note number 1. From 1 up to 31st/10, that is from April, May, June, July, August, September and October, that is 7 months. His basic salary is 50,000. So 50,000 multiplied by 7, 3,50,000. From 1/11 to 31st March, that is November, December, January, February and March, 5 months. His basic salary is 60,000 per month. So 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs plus 3,50,000, that is 6,50,000. Basic salary 6,50,000. Next, dearness allowance. That is 40% of basic salary, 6,40,000, and a 40%, 2,60,000. Third, bonus. Bonus equal to 1 month salary paid in October. So in October month his basic salary is 50,000 and dearness allowance applicable for that month. Note to bonus: October 19 salary, basic salary, that is 50,000 plus DA on it, that is 40% of DA of basic. 50,000 na 40%, 20,000, total 17,000 bonus. Bonus is 70,000. Next, fourth, contribution of employer to recognized provident fund account of employee, 16% salary, basic salary. Employers RPF contribution. Note number 3. Note number 3, employers RPF contribution. Actual 16% minus exempted 12%, taxable 4%. So basic salary, his basic salary for entire year is 6,50,000 and a 4% taxable, 26,000. 26,000. Next, fifth, professional tax paid by employer. $2,000. Next, facility of laptop. Facility of laptop, computers, that is totally tax free, because laptop and computer no use personal use માટે થાય કે ઓફિસ use માટે થાય, totally exempted. Personal use of laptop and computer, totally exempted. Seventh, motor car facility. Working note number 4. Motor car is given from 1/11/2019. Okay, now 1.6 or less, more than 1.6, employee and employer. Expenses are paid by employee, employer. 600, 900, 1800, 2400. Here કારની ક્યુબિક કેપેસિટી છે 1.6 કરતા વધારે. All the expenses paid by employee. So all the expenses are paid by employer. All the expenses are paid by employer. And cubic capacity of car is 1.6 liter. Exceed 1.6 liter. So 2400 per month. Car is provided without driver from 1/11. So November, December, January, February and March. 5 months. 2400 multiplied by 5, that is 12,000. Sorry. So motor car facility 12,000. 8 LTC. It is given that to his wife and 3 children, but second child is twins child, so totally exempted. 4 member LTC મળશે. So gross salary of total of this 6,50,000 plus 2,60,000 plus 70,000 plus 26,000 plus 2,000 plus 12,000, that is 10,20,000 is gross salary. Less specified deduction, standard deduction, $50,000, professional tax, that is 3,000, total 53,000 minus 53,000. So 9,67,000 is taxable salary. This is your answer. Next sum we will calculate in our next session. Thank you.